million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
What's up with it, sis? Why am I screaming? Lord have mercy. I can tell you why I'm screaming. The company okay, the reason why I'm screaming, let me sip so I can calm down. The reason why I'm screaming is because the company that sent me this hair is a company that we like. It's human hair, and y'all know I only repeat them if we like them. Victoria's wig. I don't know who the hell Victoria is. I don't know what her secret was, but I'm excited about this hair, okay? So let's see what they sent us in this box. And it feels heavy, so I think they sent us some extras. They did, okay? Let's see. Y'all, makeup puffs. You know, I'm a natural woman. I don't really wear makeup. But, y'all look. And they got the little holder. Thank you, Victoria's wigs. So they sent me that. They sent me some stocking caps, 2 packs. Okay, Victoria's wig. Let's see what else they sent, y'all. A little goodie bag. Let's see what's in this. A rat tail comb. I've always needed those. A scarf to tie down edges, but I ain't got none. An edge brush, I ain't got none. Ooh, a little brush to put the powder in your part. Some tweezers. And a mixing spoon, because I do bleach my hair. Okay, Victoria Wig trying to show out. They trying to be our favorite human hair company, okay? Let's see. Thank you, Victoria Wigs. You're so good to me, okay? On the inside, oh, they put it all on the back, okay? A wig cap, satin band, tweezers, tinting brush, baby hair brush, a mask stick for glue. That must be in there. I missed it, okay? But look, how nice that is. Okay. Now, the wig comes in a cute little satin bag, which I love it when these wig companies throw in all these little extras. I'm going to be honest, because there's a lot of money that you have to spend. So, for them to take the time out to throw in those little extras, I do like that compared to these companies just say, here go your hair, okay? So, I do appreciate Victoria Wig taking the time out to do that. I'm not sure what I got. It says it's a lace bob wig, 12 inches. So we shall see. Let's take it out the plastic, sis, and see if we like this. Oh, it is cute. It's a shorty doo-wop for those of you that like them, okay? It came with bands that I just dropped out. Hold on, girl. Shut up. The little bra strap bands, too, that I like. Let's look at that construction, okay? Yeah, buddy. This one gonna hit. It has a comb over here to the right, a comb to the left. Look at all of that parting space you get. Look at that, okay? It also has a comb in the back with your adjustable straps. But what I like is when these wigs come with these things right here, like a little bra strap. Okay, it's going to pull the wig flush to your head. Okay, and that's what they gave me. Y'all know with this human hair, I like for you to see that hairline and all that jazz with no stocking cap, because somebody was like, oh, you can do this to that wig and make it. I'm not doing all that to a wig if, you know, you paid all that coins for it. I don't feel like you should have to. Y'all, this is going to be so cute. I can already tell. Look at that part. It's pre-done for you. Okay, but because of how this wig is made, you can really part anywhere. Okay? Y'all, this is going to be cute. Okay? My mama gonna take this, but this looks good on me. So hopefully she not watching. Oh, I'm choking. Forgot that was Hennessy. Just playing this water. Okay? But let me cut off this lace, put on these straps, and then we'll come back with our final thoughts. human hair, body wave, easy out the package hair, okay? I didn't put any powder in that part, but look at how good it looks without the powder. So you can imagine how it'll look once you get it home and you do apply powder to it. To me, that hairline looks really, really good. So does the quality of this hair. Of course, I mean, I just put out the pack, so of course, no shed, no tangling, but it has so much body. And that's what I enjoy about this hair. It's not stiff at all. Okay, so do I recommend this one? I recommend all my wigs by Victoria Wigs. They're one of my most favorite human hair companies, okay? Because of how good that hair feels on my head, okay? But once you take a flat iron to it, it's gonna be, or not necessarily a flat iron, a curling iron to it to give it more body, remove some of this bulk right here. This is some nice, nice hair. And I like the length of this one, actually, okay? I think it's so work appropriate, okay? So do I recommend this hair? Heck yeah. Victoria's Wig always has some good quality hair. Y'all, this is nice. It feels so flush on my doggone head. Look at that. So I definitely recommend this hair. I think it's some very nice hair. Yeah. This is cute. This is cute. I'm going to run a curling iron through this, and I'll probably make this my work here for the next week. This one's cute. I definitely recommend it. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Victoria. I don't know, maybe it's your cousin Victor. Whoever it is, send them my way, and we'll get them right. Y'all go get this one, though. If you got the coins for it, Victoria's hair is one that I recommend. Victoria's Wig. I definitely recommend this one, y'all. Until next time, which will be extremely soon. Bye, guys.